welcome back to my channel, students. So we are in the last part of the 3 marks questions. So to get all the videos of 2 marks, 3 marks, you need to subscribe my channel. First of all, you do that, and if you study these videos of mine, definitely you will be scoring full 2 marks and 3 marks out of 40 you will be scoring, children. So for that you need to subscribe. Please subscribe so that you will get all the videos on time. After this, please tell all your juniors I am going to continue with the arithmetic progression. From the arithmetic progression, I have already completed surface area and volumes and trigonometry some parts. Leaving that, complete SSLC syllabus I will be doing it. So I will be starting with the arithmetic progression. Anyhow, they will be starting with the 10th standard syllabus in vacations. So please tell them. Now we will begin with the question. Now, this is the first question of today's video. That is, we are going to construct ogive. They have given some information about the ogive construction, that is class interval. They have given the size of the class interval is 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on up to 100, and directly cumulative frequencies are given. So they have asked you to construct a ogive. Ogive is the graph where we are going to construct about the information what we got. In this way we are going to draw the graph. Now we are not exactly at the center. We will call this as 0. This is x dash, x, y, y dash. So ogive means we take in the horizontal, that is on the x-axis, we take the upper limits of the class interval, and on the y-axis we take the cumulative frequencies. The scale need not be same on both the axes. So here I have 10, 20, 30. So I am going to take directly those only. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is x. I have taken this. Here starting with 5, ending with 53. You can go with anything, 4, 8 like that, or 5 like that you can go. I am starting with 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So I need space. We will plug this. Next it is 45, 50, 53. There is no much space. Once again, this will construct, children. We have taken in this y-axis, that is vertical, we have taken cumulative frequencies. In the horizontal x-axis, we have taken the upper limits of the class interval. Here you can write cumulative frequency. Here upper limits you can mention. Now we are going to mark them. For 10 it is 5. So directly just I will take a point. For 20 it is 8. 8 means after 5, 2 lines is equal to 1 number. That is 2 cumulative frequencies. So here it comes. I am just marking that. For 30 it is 12. Then after that the 4th line for 30. Then for 40 it is 15. 15 you will get it directly. It's little low. Then for 60 it is 22. So here it comes. For 50, 18 was there. We left that. Yes, for 60 it is 22. You can just see, children. 60 it is 22. It's like this. Okay. Then for 70 it is 29. Near to 30 it is. So this is 70. When you mark on the graph, you will be getting exactly the correct values. Then 80, 38. Near 40 it is. So this is 80 line. This is how we mark. Then 4. It is only 4 for 90. Then 4 it is here only. 4 it is last 153. 53 is here near 55. So leave that point. Mark these points. So you will get a curve. This is called the ogive. This is called less than type ogive. It increases like this. This is called less than type ogive. In this you can find the median also, children. This is very important. 3 marks, 100% question. Sometimes they may also ask ogive. Then you need to you draw the lines through the x-axis. So you will get in the next question when you get, I'll tell that. So I'll show you one more. This one, that is more than type of ogive now. Yes, children. We'll begin with the second question, that is more than type of ogive. Now CIs are same, 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30 up to 100. But what I have taken here is almost the same question, but I have written the frequencies now, because you will get sometimes cumulative frequencies to write the for more than type of ogive now. Less than type easily you can do it. More than type, what you will do? See, total 53 students or patients or whatever the data given, more than 0, all the 53 are there. Okay, so I am writing cumulative frequency more than 0, all the, and we are taking the graph here lower limits. So more than 0, all the 53 are there. Now less than 10, 5 are there. So those are, we are taking 53. For the next 10 to 20, we have to subtract, less than 10, 5 are there. We have to subtract that 5 from 53 and remains only 48. More than 10 will be 48 students. Next, 10 to 20, that is less than 20, again 3 are there. In this 48, we have to subtract this 3. So 20 to 30, you will get 45. Similarly, 45 minus 4 is 41. 41 minus 3 is 38. You have to do it. At the end, you will be left only with 8. That is correct. Okay. Now, we are going to plot the graph of same like the earlier. But here, we just take on the x-axis, x dash. On the x-axis, we are going to take the lower limits. Now, here as usual, cumulative frequencies. Lower limits means again it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is your x. Here you can take same 53, 5, 10 like that. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Now more than 0, 53 are there. So your point comes here. More than, that is 10, 48 are there. So it comes here 48. Then 45 for 20 here. For 30, for 20 it is 48. For 10 it is 53. Sorry. 53 I am going to mark here. Then more than 10 to 20 it is 48. 48 is here. Exactly, yes. Then 45, this line 45, I'll take the scale to understand. And this is for 30. For 40 it is 41. Here it comes. Then for 50 it is 38. 38 is somewhere here. You will get the point here. After 38 it is 35. 35 is exactly on the line. Then it is 31. 31 is just above the 30. 24. 24 is less than, here it is. After 24 it is 15. 15 is here. Then it is 8. 8. So your more than type of ogive comes like this. Check. This is more than type of ogive. So if you do this, you will be getting 3 marks definitely. But you have to write y, pi dash, x, everything correct, lower limit, cumulative frequency. Then you will be getting correctly exactly 3 marks. Yes, children. In this chapter, one more question. The last question we had left was to find the median. The class intervals you observe, children, that is the length of number of 40 leaves are given here. They are measured in millimeters. 118 to 126, 3 leaves are there. So total number of leaves are, that is n is equal to 40. And to calculate this one median, we need to have a continuous class intervals where we don't have now. So if it is like that, we should make continuous class intervals. For that, in the lower limit you have to subtract 0.5, and in the upper limit you have to add 0.5. So this becomes now 117.5 to 126.5. Similarly, if I subtract down, this becomes 126.5 to 135.5. So when you get this idea, continue with this now. 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5 to 153.5, 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5 to 171.5, 171.5 to 180.5. Now we got the continuous class intervals. Here one more column we need to write is cumulative frequency. The first one as it is we write 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 12 is 29. 29 plus 5 is 34. 34 plus 4 is 38. 38 plus 2 is 40. In the last score we should get whatever the n we have, children. Otherwise somewhere you have done mistake, it means. Otherwise it is correct, cumulative frequency. To find the median we have the formula L plus, or capital L you can write, L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by f into h, where L is the lower limit of median class, n by 2 is the total number of frequencies divided by 2, cumulative frequency is the cumulative frequency of the median class, frequency it is the previous one, this is the median class, height is the number of the size of the class interval. So L we have, first to find the median class we should find n by 2, that will give us median class, that is 40 by 2, 20. Where does the 20th score lies? Where will be the 20th score? Here there are 3 leaves, here 8 leaves, total 3 plus 5, 8 leaves, here 17 leaves are here. So 18th leaf, 19th leaf, 20th leaf comes here in this class. So our median class is 144.5 to 153.5, children. So that is the median class. So lower limit is 100 and this is median class 144.5. 144.5 plus n by 2 already we got 20. Cf is the cumulative frequency previous to the median class, that is 17, divided by frequencies are 40, total n is 40, size is 8, children. 117.5 to 126.5 will give you 9, size is 9, not 8, it is 9. So now 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 is 3. 3 by 40 into 9. Yes, children. 144.5 plus 9 3s are 27 divided by 40. So don't take LCM and all. Whatever you get, you take it as in decimals. So that if you take LCM, it will be too big. 5 plus. So if you take 0.270, you will get. So 270, 40, 0 point you will get. 4 6 are 24. So it is 0 3 0. Again we cannot, we'll take one 0. So 4 7s are you will get 0.67 you will get. So add that, it will be 7, 6 plus 5 11, 145.177 as it is 6 plus 5 11. Yes, this is the median of the given information, children. So with that we completed 3 marks question. So one more video I'll be making for 4 marks question. So with that I'll complete the passing package and I'm going to begin first chapter of AP for the newly coming 10th standard students. So the seniors, you please guide your juniors to refer to my videos.